Hey everybody, this is Eric Miller at M&M 2024 here in Cleveland, Ohio. We're in the mega booth. It's very busy because of the poster session going on over here, but I'm with Miyazaki-san from Mel-Build. And Miyazaki-san, you have a cool new holder at your booth. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, thank you. So actually, our new developing item to the air cryo is our product name. So this air cryo, it means to the vacuum transfer function including. So vacuum transfer with cryogenic and then biasing, heating, the in future tensor, the indentation to the one folder to the application to the everything. So one folder cryogenic with heating, biasing. It is yes, of course. So it is material scientific. So troubleshoot also including.
Wow. So it's just one holder that does all of your different, testing needs.
Right.
You don't need a separate holder to do cryo and another holder to do the biasing. Whatever.
Yes.
Just one holder.
Yeah, one holder. It's
wow.
So any customer, company A by company B, company C, company D, but our holder is one enough. So because combined to the one holders.
Okay. Wow. That's pretty impressive. So if anyone is interested in this holder, how do they contact you? How do they find you online?
Yeah, online. So for Mel-Build.com to the very easy to the web. So we have to the contact information. Please contact to tabs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Miyazaki-san. That sounds really fascinating. We'll talk to you next time. We've got more from M&M.
Thank you.